Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video. In this video, I will give you more information about the top 5 best tabletop makeup mirrors that are available on the market. Actually, I made this list based on their quality, price, popularity, durability, user opinion, and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the link description section below. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel to view future videos. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have Conair Sleek Tabletop Makeup Mirror with Lights. Conair Sleek mirror comes with a polished chrome finish. It is oval-shaped with a double-sided mirror. The mirror has a soft lighting which gives an incandescent and beautiful glow that can be switched on or off with the cord switch. The mirror is of 7 by 9.5 inch oval-shaped structure. Conair Sleek mirror can be freely rotated in 360 degrees. The 7x magnifying feature helps in detailing the face, which makes the makeup easy. No battery is required. Moving on at number 4, we have Bistop Makeup Vanity Tabletop Mirror. Bistop Makeup Vanity Mirror comes in rose gold, which makes it attractive for home decor as well as a glossy mirror. 21 LED lights present in the mirror gives natural light that reveals the true color of a face. The mirror contains dual power supply, either USB cable or by 4 PCs of AAA batteries. The 3-panel magnified mirror shows the tiny details of the face that is helpful for makeup. The Bistop mirror is a countertop cosmetic mirror with 180-degree free rotation property. The mirror is made with UV coating, giving a sleek and polished look. The tri-fold feature allows the user to take it anywhere with them. At number 3, we have Absolutely Lush Makeup Mirrors. Absolutely Lush Makeup Mirrors are high-definition clarity cosmetic mirrors. It comes with vanity mirror and touch screen dimming, which helps us to adjust the brightness of the mirror lighting. Our true reflections and colors are reflected because of the natural daylight provided by the makeup mirror. The mirror is detachable and 10x magnification spot mirror, which shows the details in 10.7 scales larger. There are 21 LED lights so as to get natural daylight effect. The mirror is made easy to handle with its lightweight, cordless and AA battery power, which can be used at homes and while traveling. If not satisfied with the product, there is a return policy within 30 days of purchase. At number 2, we have Sayyard Attractive Tabletop Makeup Mirror. Sayyard makeup mirrors are glare-free fluorescent lighting mirror with white finish. The magnification of the mirror is 5x and can be adjusted according to the need. Sayyard mirrors are 2-sided mirrors and come with settings of 4 adjustments, which are evening, daytime, office environments and home. It gives sharp look and the mirror will match with any home decor. The electrical outlet is already built in. The mirror is of 3.75 inches of width, 13.8 inches of length and 12.25 inches of height in size. The mirror comes in the flat fold that is easy for storage in travel. And finally at number 1, Sayyard Vanity Makeup Mirror. Sayyard Vanity Makeup Mirror is white colored with naturally LED lighting facility. Natural LED helps to reflect the true colors, which are very helpful for makeup. With the 10x magnifying property, the user can look into small details of the face and hair. It is also helpful for tweezing eyebrows, wearing lenses, etc. While most of the mirrors are a 180-degree rotation, Sayyard mirror attracts us with locking suction and 360 swivel degree rotation. The mirror is powered by 3x AAA batteries. Being portable and cordless, the mirror becomes the best choice for bedrooms, dorm room, bathroom and to carry when traveling. The mirror has no hassle money-back guarantee that automatically speaks of its quality. Thank you for watching, guys. I hope you like this video. If this video helps you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to these products, you can comment down. I hope back to you as soon as possible.